We are solving NCERT exercise 3.6 question number 1. Again, the question says solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. I am taking fifth part. Here you have been given 7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5, and I suppose it equation 1. And secondly, 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. Let it be equation 2. So on separating, that is 7x upon xy and minus 2y upon xy will be equal to 5. X and x will be cancelled out. Here y and y will be cancelled out. Okay, and we get the equation as 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5. Similarly, on separating the numerator terms with the denominator, in the second equation we get 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. So what we see that x and x will be cancelled out, y and y will be cancelled out in this case, and we get this equation as 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15. Let it be equation number 4. Now see, in this equation 3 and 4 we have been our variables as 1 upon y and 1 upon x, you can see. So again put 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v, and let these equations are 5 and 6. Now then the equations 3 and 4 can be rewritten as this. On putting 1 upon y is equal to v, we get 7v minus of 2u. Here we have put 1 upon x equal to u is equal to 5. So this equation, let it be 7. Similarly, in equation 4 can be written as 8v plus 7u is equal to 15, and let it be 8 number equation. Now to eliminate u in both the equations, what we do? We multiply equation 7 by 7 and equation 8 by 2 in order to make the coefficient of u equal. So when multiplying this equation by 7, we get 49v minus of 14u is equal to 35, and let it be equation number 9. And on multiplying this equation 8 by 2, we get 16v plus 14u is equal to 30. Let it be equation number 10. So in this case you see that we got the minus 14 and plus 14. The coefficient of u is same, but with different sign. So on adding both the equation, these will be cancelled out, and 49v plus 16v will give you 65v, and 35 plus 30 will give you 65. So it implies that v is equal to 65 upon 65, that is 1, and let it be equation number 11. Now substituting this value of v in equation number 7 like this. So we have substitute the value of v in equation 7. We get 7 multiplied by 1 minus 2u is equal to 5, or it implies 7 minus 2u is equal to 5. On transposing 5 to the left hand side and minus 2u to the right hand side, we get 7 minus 5 is equal to 2u, or 2 is equal to 2u. Therefore u will be 2 upon 2, that is u is equal to 1. Now see, from equation 5, so equation 5 is your 1 upon x equal to u, and equation 12, that is u is equal to 1, we get 1 upon x equal to 1, so it implies x equal to 1. And from equation 6, that is 1 upon y is equal to v, and from equation number 11, that is v is equal to 1, we get 1 upon y is equal to 1. It implies that y is equal to 1. Hence the solutions of the given pair of equations is x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1.